We had good weather for this year's Cambridge Ice and Oyster Festival, where winter magic meets the rich heritage of Maryland's Eastern Shore. The festival isn't just about ice and oysters. There's always live music, family-friendly activities, and a vibrant atmosphere that brings the whole community out for the free fun. Downtown Cambridge transforms into a winter wonderland, showcasing more than 50 breathtaking ice sculptures created by master carvers, turning blocks of ice into stunning works of art right before your eyes. And of course, in the traditional Eastern Shore fashion, there were plenty of fresh, locally sourced oysters and hot drinks on tap from Blue Ruin. Lion's Rum offered tastings from their local distillery, and Cambridge's Rar Brewery had plenty of their craft beer selection. Several fire pits were lit for warming yourself and roasting marshmallows. The Eastern Shore is known for their duck and geese hunting, thus the hunting blind sculpture. Favorite for the kiddies? The ice slide. How cool is that? Also live music throughout the day, and you might have caught a dancing Tex. Shops were open and welcoming visitors with their unique offerings, and leashed dogs joined in on the fun.